Christmas, you mustn't forget that gardening never stops. And I mean never stops. My old friend, the late Peter Seabrook, used to actually skip out of the house on Boxing Day and go to his veg plot and do a bit of digging. It's all good stuff that you can do at Christmas. If you've got time and the weather's kind, depending on where you are in the country, it might be time to go out and do a bit of gardening, get a bit of fresh air, perhaps do a little bit of pruning. But more importantly, don't forget you've got birds to feed and plant things that have got berries on for the coming season. Use good quality bird food and preferably use feeders that the squirrels can't get at. See, they've always got water. Watch your fish ponds as well, because if it goes really cold, it'll ice up. Just float a small ball in your fish pond and that will keep it in good condition. What else should we be doing? I tell you what else. Go round the rose beds. See if you've got any little buds of roses, and those you could actually use indoors. They won't open totally, but they'll open a little. You can also use a lot of the flowering cherries, forsythia, lots of plants like that. And not forgetting Chaenomeles, you know, that quince that everybody calls it. They'll all come into bloom if you take them indoors about 3 to 4 days before Christmas, and that will give you a really good show over Christmas. And in the meantime, if you've got time on your hands after Christmas, perhaps Boxing Day, get the seed catalogues out and have a good look at those and decide what you're going to grow in the coming season. So from me and my gardening hints, have a great Christmas. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.